contact WardPace Automatic Transmission 615-300-3122 or wardpace@me.com for more information. This 2010 Hyundai Genesis sedan 4-doors 4.6L sedan features a 5.8, 4.6L DOHC 32 V8 cylinder gasoline engine. It is equipped with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle is navigation, black with a black interior. It is offered with the remaining factory warranty. Hello, my name is WardPace 615-300-3122 and I would like to thank you for looking automatic transmission my 2010 Hyundai Genesis 4.6 with the technology package. The technology package costs $3,500 and adds lots of extras like navigation, Lexicon 17-speaker sound system, 6-disc DVD changer, XM radio, multimedia controller, driver information system, Bluetooth hands-free phone system, smart cruise control, xenon,